I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. Look, I've been trying.
My bike's hot.
Welcome to the start of a new show called Tinker Time with Andrew.
Yeah, boy.
As you guys know, on the trail, the bike started overheating. Later we found out the fan relay is dead. As is my will to fix this thing. Anyway, long story short, we figured out how to power the relay, and I can show you guys that real quick after I strip this wire. Basically, all you gotta do is run a power wire from the battery straight into the plug-in where the fuse goes. So what we're gonna do is, since we don't have a switch on us, we're making a rudimentary switch. This is what we're gonna do. I even have a fuse in here for safety, not just because it was already in there, but whatever. Anyway, so this is your fuse that goes to the fan. This is the fuse itself right here. Looks like that, for anybody wondering. Just like that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this straight into the positive terminal. It might spark a little, but whatever. We're gonna plug that in there, if I can twist the wires properly. We're gonna plug it in there, and then fan cuts on. Don't mind the music. Anyway, I'll show you what we're gonna do. So now, I've already got half of it done. We're gonna cut. It's wonderful. That's a tree branch. How about just lost a hand? All right, now that that's over with. So what we're gonna do is, I've already got half of it done. This is the part that's going into the relay switch itself, that little connector there. This is gonna be the female end of the switch. I'm just plugging two wires together. And this is gonna be the male end that I'm just gonna connect to the back of this wire so that we bolt straight to the battery. So it's gonna go in like that, and then yada yada, boom, connect, boom, power, fan on, yeah. So we can ride tomorrow. Anyway, let me crimp this on.
We're gonna get copyrighted either way. Just talk.
Okay. Anyway, switch is done. Boom.
Come on. Hurry up.
Okay. So now, where's my drill?
You have until the beat drops, and then after that, I'm very concerned about how loud it's gonna be.
We're in we're not in our normal section, as you can tell.
By no means.
Anyways.
Hey, your bike's off, right?
Yes. Doesn't really particularly matter. Chicks dig earlobes. Darn it. Alright, so just to keep things somewhat tidy in here, I'm just gonna run under here, just try and not electrocute anything, yada yada. Safety is our #1 priority, yeah. Anyways.
Ooh.
There it went.
Safety's our #1 priority.
Did you just blow the fuse?
No. It wouldn't have. If it had blown anything, it'd have blown anything. Anyway, it'll be fine.
Maybe you think it. Not meant to be.
son.
You gonna put that plug all the way in?
Yeah, that's as far as it's gonna go.
You wanna take that up?
We can.
Alright, take that other part up and you're good to go.
This is a temporary or permanent fix?
No, it's a temporary fix.
Temporary fix for this
Until we can get a
relay.
relay.
Oh no, I hate ants. Get off my feet. Son of a gun.
But if you guys are in a pinch, that's how to do it. Run to this middle wire off a power wire, and then you should be good.
Just don't electrocute yourself.
No.
And if you do, get it on camera. And it's not our fault.
dusty today. All the water really dried up yesterday from the rain, and it's all gone. So I'm probably gonna sit back a little bit. I have no rear brakes, which is okay. They after the concert last night, I went to come brake around a corner going back to the camp, and they just fell to the floor, which sucks. But it is what it is. Oh wow, stay back a little bit just because I don't have rear brakes. It's popping and banging a lot.
I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest.
Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to talk.